Good morning, chicos. Here's a picture of Larry to start you off. Oh, never mind. He heard a bird. He's out. Okay, so I'm going to help you with the bell ringer this morning. So if you go over to Google Classroom and you find your bell ringer, this is what your quiz is going to look like. Okay, so for number 1, it says, she will tell me. Okay, so we have to figure out what we are replacing here. So if we start out, we've got okay, to say or to tell is decir. Remember, that's an irregular. You are allowed to use your notes, so you can look in your irregulars at any time. And this is in the future tense. So you will add your future tense ending, which is a with an accent. Okay, if you are struggling with accents, you can just put a little thing like that there, or you can go to insert special characters. That's fine too. On your quiz, I'll have it where you can copy and paste accents, and it'll be a lot easier. Okay, so she will tell me. All we have left is this me. This is an indirect object because you're saying who you're telling. So we're going to replace that with may. Okay, end it with a period. They will talk to you. Okay, ella, to talk, hablar, put it in the future tense. Oh, it says they. I got to change it. Ellos hablarán. Okay, and they want to talk to you. So to whom? So that's an indirect object. And you're replacing it with te. Oh, don't forget your period. Okay, I will need it. Yo necesitaré. Okay, the pencil is el lápiz. So we have to replace el lápiz with something. Okay, if it's talking about it, our options are lo, la, los, or los. So we're going to get rid of that and put in lo in the middle. Next, you informal. Oops. Tu. Okay, to want is an irregular. Quieras. And we want the cat, which is el gato, but we know we have to replace el gato with lo or la, los or los. We're going to replace it with lo. Okay, if this is not making sense, you can use your notes. So use those notes I put on Google Classroom. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So the notes, if you scroll down, I said helpful notes on direct and indirect objects. You will pull this up, and it's literally notes that I've taken for you with the charts, how to do them, the steps, what they are. Okay, this should help you. So pull those up if you can. But let's go back to the bell ringer. Okay, it says highlight the direct object. You'll also have something similar to this. So direct object is it, if that helps you. So they want what? They want it. So the house. She will need the pencil from there. She will need what? She will need it. She will need the pencil. We eat tacos every night. We eat what? We eat tacos. I will pass the test. I will pass what? The test. Okay. Highlight the indirect object. They want to sell us the house. They want to sell who the house? So indirect who. She will need the pencil from them. From who? From them. You might not want to talk to us. You might want not to talk to who? Us. Well, to us. It doesn't really matter on that. You will help me. You will help who? Me. Okay. Please email me if this doesn't make sense and I can walk you through some more things. Okay, so the next thing is your daily work. So it's Friday classwork. You will go to your instructions, read the instructions carefully. Part 1. This time you have to get 100% on the quizzes. So you'll go to this link, you'll do the quizzes, and this time it has it where it will show you the answer when you got it wrong. So this really shouldn't be difficult to get 100%. Part 2. Attached is the quiz. You must capitalize the first letter, you must have accents, and you must end it with a period. You'll go to the quiz, you can use your notes, and then once the quiz is pulled up, it'll have all those instructions still, plus those accents. Okay, so you can copy and paste an accent right here. And don't forget your name, your class period, and then here it all is. Okay, if you need any help, please email me. Have a good weekend.